Hi, my name is Luis Carlos, and I'm going to present my Robot Studio lab practice. Here we have our station. We have the robot in the middle. We have these two objects, box and the cylinder we added from the tutorials, and the extra one I added is this simple box, just another smaller box on top of it. So then to see the code, we would go here, the Rapid tab. We would click on here, then Rapid, until we reach main, which is the main program. This is a program we made from the tutorial, and this is the extra one I added. We have the different commands, move J and move L. Also we have move C here. Move J is a joint movement, so it would move the joints of the robot to reach the desired position. Then move L is a linear. We would move the TCP in a linear motion, and for example move C, we would move it in a circular motion. The commands need to receive a target. These targets are actually the points marked here. All of these reference frames each are a target in which the TCP should be located. Then we have a speed. We need to define the speed at which the robot would move to that desired position. We have a greater speed when the target is not close to an object, to avoid collisions or any danger as such, and when the robot is close to an object, we need to lower the speed to ensure a safe trajectory. Then this indicates how closely the TCP would reach a target. If we have fine, it would mean that it would touch exactly where the target is marked, and if we have Z100 or any other number above than 0, it would circle around the target, giving a more constant motion without actually stopping, but it would not touch, so depending on the desired need, which value you would adhere. So then to simulate it, we just click on simulation up here and click on play, and we can see that the robot is in fact moving. First around the box in a square, then around the cylinder in a circular motion, returns to the center, and lastly goes to the new box. Just goes around it and comes back. So that's the way it's simulated. There's actually another way. We can move a little bit the robot so we can see. Here on the controller tab, we click here and select flex pendant. So here is what you would do if you wanted to simulate it using teach pendant. You need to first put it on manual mode, turning this key, and we can see here it's manual. Then we need to enable it. That would turn on the motors, and we would need to be holding this button in order for it to be functional. And we just click on play, and we can see how the robot performs each movement. Just close this so we can see. Here we can see it's doing the move L. We can see command by command what it's doing. It's another move L. And then it's going to the circle, lowering down to the circle and circling around it. Then going back to the point here and returning home. And finally the newly added code. First go on top of the first point on the box, joint motion, then linear motion to the first one, the second one, the third one, and comes back the fourth one, and then returns home. And that would be the first practice using ABB Robot Studio.